Okay, good morning, students. Today our topic of discussion is graphs. Okay, so today we will learn about the graphs. We will learn about the coordinates in the graphs, so on and so forth. Okay, so as we are talking about the graph, so a graph has got two main parts, two main axes. One is x-axis, okay, and the another one is y-axis. Okay, this vertical column is the y-axis. Okay, I mean this vertical axis is the y-axis and this horizontal axis is the x-axis. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, so on the left side of the x-axis we have all the negative values, and on the right side of the x-axis we have all the positive values. In the center we have 0, both for the x-axis and y-axis, and the upper side of the y-axis we have all the positive values, and the lower side of the y-axis we have all the negative values. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so now we will learn some coordinates. Okay, so what are the coordinates? Basically coordinates are the values of x and y. Okay, so here if you can see that it's -3 and -5, it means -3 is x and -y is 5. Okay, you should follow this order. Okay, and whatever the coordinate comes as first, that is called as the x coordinate, and the second coordinate is called the y coordinate. Okay, so always remember that and never break that sequence. Okay, the first thing is always, the first number is always the first coordinate is always the x coordinate, and the second coordinate is always the y coordinate. Okay, so what is the first coordinate? Is -3 -5. Okay, so just try to find out -3 on the x-axis. So this is the x-axis, so as it is -3, so we just need to look into the negative sector of the x-axis. So this is -3, okay, and we have -5. So on the y-axis we have to the first value was on the x-axis, so -3 on the x-axis is here, and the second value is -5 on the y-axis. So on the y-axis -5 is here, this is -5, so -3 -5, this is the point. As you can see, this is the point, -3 -5. They have put a cross mark denoting that this is the -3 -5 coordinate. Okay, the second coordinate is -2 -3. Same way, this is -2, this is -3. They have put a cross sign to denote the coordinate. Okay, then -1 -1. So -1 on the x-axis, -1 on the y-axis. This is the coordinate. Okay, then 0 1. Okay, till now we have all dealt with the negative values. Now we are dealing with the positive values. It's the next value is 0 and 1. So 0 on the x-axis will be here, 0. Okay, no change. Okay, and 1 on the y-axis is here. So they have put a cross mark on here on 1, because 0 1 is here, because on the x-axis we have nothing, only 0. That's why. Okay, then 1 3. Okay, so 1 3, 1 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis. So this is 1 3. Okay, they have put a cross mark. Then we have 2 5. This is 2, this is 5. They have put a cross mark. Okay, and then we have 3 7. This is 3 on the x-axis and 7 on the y-axis. So here they have put a cross mark. Okay, students, that is all for to discuss. This was all about graph and coordinates. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.